Welcome to Exploring Our Parks, a series brought to you by the Montana Audubon Center. Each week we'll be learning about different parks in and around Billings, activities you can do there, and the wildlife you might see. Today we are exploring Powwow Park, a 60-acre natural area park managed by the City of Billings Parks and Recreation Department. Powwow Park is located in the Heights, with trailheads at the ends of Judicial Ave and Quietwater Ave off of Alkali Creek Road. At the end of Judicial Ave, you enter the park on a narrow dirt trail. The entrance is also marked with a small sign listing park hours and a dispenser for dog waste bags. According to the official map, there is a single trail through the park that splits and rejoins in two places. However, we discovered several additional trails crisscrossing the landscape. It would be hard to get lost here, though, because of the open view that allows you to see where you are in relation to the landscape and to Alkali Creek School just across the creek. The park is nestled between sandstone cliffs and Alkali Creek, providing a wide range of microclimates and habitats. Close to the rims, the inviting green slopes are covered with prickly pear cacti, not exactly a spot for a picnic blanket. Lower down, though, next to the creek, there are a few open bowls that provide ample area for games and picnics. The dominant species of tree ringing the cliff lines are ponderosa pines and Rocky Mountain junipers. You can identify these shrubs or small trees by the presence of their flattened, scale-like leaves, and also sometimes a bluish, berry-looking structure, which is actually a modified cone. Other dominant plants included skunkbush sumac, which was still holding on to a few of last year's leaves and hadn't yet grown this year's, as well as yucca and sagebrush. During our visit, we spotted a pair of red-tailed hawks gliding on the updraft created by the sandstone cliffs, and we heard the calls of chickadees and song sparrows throughout the property. Down along Alkali Creek, we spotted and heard a pair of mallard ducks, clearly enjoying the privacy that the heavily wooded creek bottom offers. Powwow Park is also home to deer, as you can tell from the piles of scat and some tracks in the mud down along the creek. In most places, the creek bottom is surrounded by some pretty thick shrubs, most of it being Russian olive. So watch out for the sharp thorns that are on the ends of the branches. On the north side of the park, there is an area that's full of cattails and bulrushes. This place would probably be a great spot to return to in July and August to look for dragonflies and damselflies and other insects. If you're feeling adventurous, you might explore the sandstone cliffs and the boulder fields beneath them at the top of the property. Despite its relatively small size, this park is truly a gem. It's conveniently located right on the edge of the Heights and has a smooth open trail perfect for hiking, jogging, or even mountain biking. So why not grab a pair of sneakers and head out the door? Thanks for tuning in to Exploring Our Parks with the Montana Audubon Center. Join us next week as we head out to a new park found somewhere around Billings, Montana.